Good morning, Year 5 and 6. We're going to finish off our week this week looking at solving problems that involve converting of measure. Now, there are two sheets today, so this video is going to look at just a couple of questions from the less confident sheet. So if you feel like you'd like a little bit more practice just getting the hang of converting measure, this is possibly the sheet for you. So I'm going to look at a couple of problems from this sheet. So if this is the sheet you're going for, this is the right video for you. It will be very useful if you use a place value grid or one of the sheets we've given you to help this week, and if you can still see your converting measures help sheet as well, because these arrows are a very good reminder for how we convert measures. So this is question 2 from your sheet, which reads, Trudy measured a box that was 150 centimetres long. And I'm just going to highlight that her box was 150 centimetres long. And we're being asked, how many metres was the box? So we're going to use our help sheet because we're being asked to turn centimetres into metres. And if we follow that arrow, we can see that to do that, we are going to divide by 100. So just as we did earlier in the week, I am going to write 150 in my place value chart. And then I am going to put on my arrows to remind myself that when I divide by 100, I move 2 places to the right. And then I'm going to move each digit 2 places to the right. So let's do that now. And you'll begin to see what our answer is going to be as we begin to move those digits. There we go. Each digit moved 2 digits to the right. So we can see that the answer to the question is that Trudy's box is 1.5 or 1.50 metres long. And don't forget, if we're giving our answer as a measurement, we do need to include that unit of measure there at the end. Okay, so our next question here. Our next question says, Kyle drank 1 litre of water before his run. He drank 2 more after his run. Now, I'm just going to quickly note that down because I know if he has had 1 litre before his run and then 2 more, he has actually had 3 litres of water. But as with a lot of our questions today, the answer has to be converted into a different measure. And we are being asked, how many millilitres did he drink? So, first of all, let's put the 3 for the 3 litres into our place value chart. And then let's look at our help sheet, which reminds us when we are turning litres into millilitres, we are going to multiply by 1,000. Now, 1,000 has 3 zeros, so that means we are going to move that 3 places to the left. So let's do that now. Let's move our 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. And I'm sure you'll remember that as we have nothing in our hundreds, or our tens, or our ones, sometimes called units, we're going to fill those in with zeros. And we can see now that our answer is going to be that Kyle had 3,000 millilitres. Now, just remember, you've got lots of problems like that on your sheet, and the resources you have used earlier in the week will be really important to help you. If you do get stuck, it's worth coming back and just having a quick look at the video again. Or remember, you can send us a message on eSchools and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Good luck with today's work, and I look forward to seeing what you send me.